Excuse me if a video accidentally cut off. So, I did my scaling, or I did those shortcuts, and the next thing I did was I set my SVC model for sampling. I then defined the strategy I was going to use. Like I said before, I was going to use the one versus res classification. I then fit the model to train the data. I used the ovr.fit function. Then I began my predictions. I did ovr underscore predict. I used the predict function to do this, to set that off. I then added my predictions to test the data set. I did the dot copy function, and then I used the dot insert function to insert a row of actual values, then the predicted values into my data. Then I inspected the data. Basically, I just pulled the head up. So as you can see right here, for example, number 23, well, row number, column number 14,112. They were actually, their race was American Indian Eskimo, but they were predicted to be a white person. However, all these other attributes, they were white and they were predicted to be white. So the next thing I did was I used the actual as my true value, and then my predicted column as my predicted value, and I printed the accuracy score, and I got 0.88, which was surprisingly pretty good, which was not what my hypothesis was thinking. However, I think I got this high of an accuracy score because most of the people were white. As you could see here, when someone was not white, they didn't correctly estimate that they were not white. So I don't think this worked in that sense. I think the only reason I got such a high accuracy score was that um, most of the people in this data were white, which makes sense. I then did my Hamming laws to see how far off the prediction was. Basically, just the opposite of my accuracy score, and I got 0.12 for that. So that was my project 2. Thank you.